Okay, did you get what I did? For sodium sulfate, we write the formula, Na2SO4 solid, add the enthalpy of formation, and then we need 2 sodium, that's a solid in its natural state, sulfur's a solid, and 2 oxygen gas, nitric acid liquid, HNO3 liquid, delta H0 sub F is negative 173.2 kilojoules per mole. And we need 1 hydrogen, so 1/2 mole of hydrogen gas. 1 nitrogen comes from 1/2 mole of nitrogen gas. And 3 oxygens, 3/2 moles of oxygen gas. So do you see now, again, how important it is that you know the nomenclature and you get familiar with the periodic chart? Yes, question. Always is a long time. Right now, I cannot think of an example. Oh, I guess I can. If we had something weird like sulfur, sometimes certain forms of sulfur, it actually comes in 8s, but we don't use that in this class. So yes, there could be something, but I'm pretty sure that for the purposes of this class, you would not have anything other than a half. Like, there are no triatomic elements or anything like that. I mean, there's buckyballs, but we still think of carbon as a monoatomic solid. Yes?
What's a buckyball?
Oh, it's a special carbon. I forget how many carbons are in them. We have some models of them in the stockroom. They're kind of awesome. I'll bring it and show it to you later. Okay, so now let's look at these equations and decide. This is where you're going to pretend you're me grading the quizzes. Decide whether or not these meet the criteria for delta H0 sub F. Do these represent proper equations that are standard enthalpy of formation? Yes or no? Okay, look at the first one, class. Yes or no? Does that meet all the criteria? Yes. We made 1 mole of product. We have all the reactants or elements in their natural states. How about the next one? Why not? Because I have 2 moles of product, so no, it does not. How about the third one? Yes and no. I'm hearing 2 things. Okay, what are the criteria? Make 1 mole of product. Yes. Include delta H. Yes. What is this? Yeah, it's not an element in its natural state, so no. You must have all the reactants as elements in their natural state. Okay. How about this last one? Why not? Because hydrogen and oxygen are diatomic in their natural states. Okay, so something to think about, those 4 criteria. So when you see this on the test, it's going to say, write the thermochemical equation for the formation of whatever compound I think of. And that's what you do. You write an equation that makes 1 mole of product. And it is elements in the natural states as the reactants. You include subscripts. You include delta H0 sub F.